I'm Ms Ripley, and today I want to share a little bit of my story. So I was diagnosed with dyslexia aged 24. I'd finished education and in fact had already started working here at BGS. And the headmaster at the time called me into his office one day and we just had a chat. And he shared with me the things he'd seen and the things that I was finding difficult and the frustrations I had, and suggested that maybe I should go and have an assessment done, which I did. And I'm extremely grateful to him for encouraging me to do that. Because while the diagnosis doesn't change me, it really helped me understand some of my frustrations. Because I'd always been frustrated about why can other people write quicker than me? Why can other people read so much better than me? Why can't I be like them? And what do I have to do to be like them? But of course, my brain's just a bit different. And once I knew that, it was much easier to lose the frustration and actually celebrate the things I can do that other people find difficult. So yes, I still find reading difficult. Yes, writing I find hard and takes me a long time to do. But I know that I have a superpower. For me, my superpower is problem solving. So there may be something that we need to fix, and that might be moving 1,000 people to sports day. Or what are we going to do because we need to change this rooming or this staffing? And my brain allows me to see that whole problem really quickly, take in all the information I need, and then come up with a plan quickly. Something that I know others around me find really hard, and they like to write things down and think about it in a step-by-step approach, seeing, then finding a problem and starting again. And yet somehow, because of my dyslexia, my mind can see all of that really clearly. So yes, I still get frustrated. But I'm really open about it and honest and share that I have dyslexia and these things I find difficult. But I'm also super proud of my superpower, because it is a massive strength that those who write well and can read quickly, I'm sure sometimes they wish they had my superpower. So my advice to you, be you. Celebrate your strengths. Celebrate the things you're good at, and try not to become frustrated with the things you find difficult. Because each of us find different things difficult. Work on those, keep trying to develop them, but also celebrate and share your superpower. Because it really is what makes you you.